Welcome to DentalPrints, where we revolutionize dental care through cutting-edge three-dimensional printing technology. Three-dimensional printing, or additive manufacturing, has transformed dentistry by allowing for precise, customized dental solutions. From dental models to prosthetics, three-dimensional printing enhances efficiency, reduces costs, and improves patient outcomes. In dental practices, three-dimensional printing is used for creating accurate models for diagnosis, planning surgeries, and fabricating dental implants and restorations. This technology ensures a perfect fit for each patient, minimizing the need for adjustments and repeat visits. One of the most significant applications is in the production of clear aligners. These aligners provide an aesthetic alternative to traditional braces, offering comfort and discretion. The process begins with an intraoral scan of the patient's teeth. This digital model is then used to plan the exact movements needed for alignment. Next, we 3D print molds of the teeth at various stages of the treatment plan. Each model represents a step in the journey to the patient's ideal smile. With these molds, we thermoform custom aligners. Each set is slightly different, designed to gradually shift the teeth into place. The aligners are made from safe, durable materials, ensuring they withstand daily use while being nearly invisible in the mouth. Using three-dimensional printing for clear aligners offers numerous benefits. It allows for personalized treatment plans, faster production times, and the ability to make on-the-spot adjustments or replacements if needed. At DentalPrints, we're committed to delivering not just products but solutions. Our state-of-the-art three-dimensional printers ensure that every aligner is crafted to perfection, tailored to each patient's unique dental structure. With DentalPrints, step into the future of orthodontics. Experience the ease, precision and beauty of clear aligners, all thanks to the magic of three-dimensional printing. Join us in redefining dental care one smile at a time. Visit us at DentalPrints website or follow us on social media to learn more about how we're changing smiles around the world.